In this video, I'll show you how to install OpenCart. So you're just going to click on the Cart tab here and just give this a couple minutes to download all of the files for the cart. It's going to download every file you need to be able to install OpenCart for PHP version 8.1. This page may take a few seconds to load just because it's downloading the files. You may get prompted if you don't have your PHP settings high enough to download the files. You may get prompted to have to go in there and change your PHP settings. So if you see that, just go into your cPanel and increase your maximum allowed uploads. So when you see this installation program for OpenCart, just click on Continue and then click on Continue again. And you should see all of this information already entered for you. So all you need to do is enter a password and an email. Click on Continue. And now you can click here to log in to your administration. So just log in with the username and password that you created. Now the first thing it's going to do is prompt you to delete your installation directory. So go ahead and click on delete to do that. And then it's also going to prompt you to move your storage to your home directory. So just click that button to move your storage to your home directory. And once that's done, you're also going to have to rename your admin login page. So this will be the path to where you go to log in. So I usually just do administration. You can name that to whatever you want, but just make sure you remember that. Click on rename. Now sometimes this will log you out and have you log in again. If it doesn't, then make sure you copy the URL to where your login is and then go to another tab in your browser and paste that in to go to the login page. Once you've done that, if you go to Cart in the software in the marketing suite, it's going to take you to where you can log in to your cart admin. So just click on that button, make sure it takes you to the same directory or the same path. If it doesn't, then refresh that one more time and that should update the button so that when you click on this button, it takes you to where you can log in to your admin. So now you just need to do things like install your products and install your payment extensions. So you can click on these buttons down here. That will take you right to where you can get your payment extensions for things like PayPal, Stripe, and make sure that any extensions that you use by default, this is set for 4.0.1.1. That's your OpenCart version. So just make sure that any extension that you get is for OpenCart version 4.0. And by default, like I said, when you click on this button for the download payment extensions, that will take you to extensions that do support the latest version of OpenCart. So you can look through all these payment extensions. There's quite a few of them to choose from. Some of them you do need to pay for. PayPal is free. You can get PayPal for free. You can get some other extensions that are free. Sometimes you can also go to the actual website of your merchant account and just see if they have a free OpenCart extension, but make sure that it is 4.0.1.1 at least for the version, because if it's an older version of OpenCart for their extension, it's not going to work with this latest version of OpenCart.